what's up guys, Laptop Nuts here with another beautiful video, and today I would like to talk about Acer Swift Edge 16. Finally, Acer made something which really caught my attention. I decided to do a quick review and then tear it apart to see what's happening inside. So, machine is absolutely amazing. At only 2.3 pounds, which is about 1 kilogram, it gives you the maximum performance. So this unit was introduced back in 2022, and there's actually a couple options. You can go with either 6th or 7th generation Ryzen 7 processor. Unfortunately, you stuck only with a 16 gig of DDR5 memory RAM, but you do get an upgradable 1 terabyte SSD drive. Machine comes with absolutely amazing OLED 16-inch ultra high definition LCD screen. Unfortunately, it's non-touch version. The keyboard, I didn't really see much of a difference compared to anything else or anything special about the keyboard. It's pretty standard. Good thing is they did kind of larger size the touchpad, which can give you much better performance. Acer claims that the battery will hold a charge up to 10 hours, which is pretty good. Also, the Acer claims that they actually have one of the fastest Wi-Fi cards available on the market. But most important part is the actual price. So back in 22, this machine was introduced with roughly $1,500. However, now it's 2024. The machine is still actual, will do whatever it's necessary and perform any possible tasks. But you actually can get on a secondary market probably right under $600, which is really affordable for such speedy machine, and especially for such a lightweight unit. You can take it anywhere you want and don't even feel it. Even look at this here. This is the power adapter. I mean, it's like a phone charger compared to any other bricks they had where you can either kill somebody or you carry an extra few pounds. This is pretty much nothing. It doesn't weigh anything. So anyhow, let's take this baby apart. Let's see what we can upgrade, repair. Stay tuned. Let's go. All right, everybody, so first thing first, we're gonna be starting from the bottom side by removing all the necessary screws and then using my pry tool and carefully separating it from the palm rest. So once we remove the bottom case, we can actually see the complete picture here. So what do we see here? There is a cooling fan. It's only one with a heatsink. There is on the right side, there is a motherboard with a bunch of connections. Good thing is that SSD and Wi-Fi cards are separate units, so if in case they need to be upgraded or replaced, it's very easy procedure. Just simply remove one screw, reattach. Make sure for the Wi-Fi card, if you're installing a different card, you installing proper drivers. So on the left side of the laptop, you can see there are two Type-C ports, one full-size USB port and one full-size HDMI port. On the left side, there is a daughter board which contains audio port and USB port, which actually would be very easy to replace. Battery is removable as well, so please make sure whenever you're replacing parts, you're referring to their actual part numbers. Every part will have either a white sticker or it's actually will be imprinted on the part, the actual part number. So refer that whenever you're looking for the proper solution. So thanks for watching. Peace and much love to everybody.